Welcome to day 4 of the Values Reset. I am your host, Erin Curran. We are coming down the home stretch here, and these are exciting times. Today is a fun day in the Values Reset journey. It's Quotes Day. Now that you've defined your 3 core values, let's make them even more exciting, juicy, and inspirational. What do I mean by that? Well, today is the day that you're going to find quotes that represent what you mean when you say joy, when you say justice, when you say freedom. It's a pretty simple process, and it can be quite a bit of fun. So let's dive right in. First, you're going to open your favorite search engine or web browser. Next, you're going to type one of the following prompts in the search bar. To get quotes using the word that you chose, use quotes using the word fill in the blank. To find quotes about the idea of the word that you chose, try typing in quotes about fill in the blank. Your search is going to return a list of links to websites that specialize in quotes. Goodreads is a good website for quotes from books. And then there are websites like brainyquotes.com that will either use the word that you've entered or relate to the idea that your word evokes. It all depends on how you type your search request. You're going to find that unless your word is super unusual, you're going to have several options to choose from. So you're going to pick at least 2 quotes that represent each value and that you find inspiring or motivating. So when you start reading the quotes, you may notice that some of them will make 0 sense to you. That's totally okay. It's probably because the site that's pulling quotes is using a different definition for the word than you've chosen, or that they're pulling quotes using the word without regard to meaning. Remember, people often use the same word in many different ways. Just skip anything that doesn't fit because it's not what you mean. Keep reading. And if you don't find a quote that excites or inspires you on one website, then go back to your search results and try another. If you're going through multiple websites and you're not finding anything that really looks like what you want, it may be time to revisit your definition. Did you use a definition from the dictionary, or did you create something on your own? If you created it on your own, then it might be time to look at the thesaurus and see if there's a different word that fits what you mean better. Remember, you're just trying to get a bit clearer on what motivates you. But be careful not to take yourself out because you can't find someone who's in your head using your unique artistic rendering of the word that no one else on the planet uses. As long as you started your process this week with one of the recommended lists, you should be good to go. Don't make it complicated. Just fill in the blank with the words that you've chosen and find quotes that work for you. That's the assignment for today. Take your 3 core values and find at least 2 quotes for each of the words that you've chosen that represent what you mean when you use that word. If you're curious and you want to take your search to the next level, try entering the search in a few different ways to see what comes up. You can use synonyms for your word and see if you get quotes that are more engaging for you. And don't forget to stop by our Facebook group and drop your response to today's questions. How did your process go for finding quotes on your values? What's your favorite quote from the ones that you found? Tomorrow is our last day together. Remember, everyone who responds to the daily prompts in the Facebook group by Sunday, September 7th at midnight Eastern will receive a bonus 30-minute one-on-one session with me to go over your values and what you've discovered and how they apply in your life. You will also be entered in the grand prize drawing for a free copy signed of my book, Hate Your Way to Happiness, Cultivating Self-Love Even When You Feel Like Shit. So be sure to hop on over to the Facebook group and share your quote. If you're still having trouble, then find our questions prompt in the Facebook feed and type quotes for fill in the blank with your value. And I will see what I can do to help you find something that works for you. Until tomorrow.